All right, fam. Merry Thanksgiving to all of you guys. I know it's been a little while since we've done one of these, but there are a whole bunch of deals to get into, a whole bunch of all-time lows and special prices. So let's hop right into it. Everybody knows about these Milwaukee square sockets over at the Home Depot. Northern Tool, just about any retailer, 99 bucks. But if y'all head on over to Tooltopia, any minute now, you guys can get that same 56-piece 3/8-inch socket set for $56.99. That link will be in the description down below. I think they also have a small minor deal on the 5.0, $88.99. Yes, I've asked around. Tooltopia is legit. Special thanks to Warmonger, Tyler Fye, Ian Johnson, Chris Bruce, all the OGs from Deal Team 6 for all of the deals that you're seeing here today. Now, back at the Home Depot, this is a deal that I think we had last year, actually, right around the same time. The Ryobi drill set. Now, this is not the killer part of this deal right here. If you scroll down, you'll see this free gift with purchase. You're going to add the 4.0 battery 2-pack for 79 bucks. Add both of them to the cart. Yeah, whatever, take my location. $39.50 for the 2-pack of 4s. All you have to do is return that 1/2-inch drill driver. Please don't keep that thing. That thing probably makes a better hammer than a drill. Return that and you get the 2-pack for $39.50. That is indeed one of the lowest prices I've ever seen on that 2-pack of batteries. Moving on, I don't know what's going on with this combo set. Specifically, the ratchet and the screwdriver. They're having a whole bunch of different bundles over at the Home Depot. This one comes with the inflator for $199. I think there's another couple of killer combos on that. The socket sets for $199, also pretty killer. That is a $99 socket set, impact rated, of course. And the lantern with the ratchet and the screwdriver for $169. Please keep in mind that it only comes with a single battery, this kit does. Also, on today's special buy of the day, that whole jazz, this combo is back. I think there were a few others with the rocket light and that stuff. This is hackable in store, but $319, you're not going to beat that pricing. For 2 6s, the compact impact wrench and the Gen 3 Sawzall, Gen 2, not sure. That thing is a beast. So link for that will be in the description down below. One final thing from the Home Depot, and then we'll get into the final 2 deals, which are really killer, by the way. $159 for the heated hoodie with the 2.0, but that's not the special here. Always check out that free gift with purchase, the 2.0. Add both of them to the cart. We'll see if we have to clean up the cart here. No, that maybe. Let's check it real quick. Make sure we don't have 2 2.0s. No, that's right. So $112 for the hoodie with the 2.0 and the plug-in unit that heats the jacket. Not bad at all. Will you see a better price on that? Maybe, but with winter here right now, snowing half across America, that's not a bad price, $112.88. Now, head on over to the Red Tool store for the absolute cheapest price I've ever seen on the M12 Fuel high-speed ratchet. 99 bucks for the kit with battery. That is absolutely killer. I have 2 of those ratchets. They're that good. And head on over to Amazon for the also cheapest price I've ever seen on the Ego 14-inch chainsaw kit. $159. It comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery. Those batteries alone cost about $169 with a free chainsaw and a charger. Not bad at all. Links for everything I've shown you guys here will be in the description down below. That's all I have for you today. Have at it, fam. Good luck.